The first step in fitting a dry hip is to install the underlay and tiling battens, ensuring the battens are fixed to the hip rafter. 50mm wide timber support blocks are then screwed to the hip rafter all the way up to the ridge. The next step involves measuring, marking and cutting the tiles, leaving a 5mm ventilation gap if required. A continuous hip batten is then screwed onto the support blocks. This will provide a fixing for the hip tiles. For any small cuts of tile, a stainless steel clip should be used to keep in place. The cut tiles are then fitted in preparation for the roll flex. In some cases, a second continuous batten will be required to provide the height needed to fix the hip tiles. Starting from the eaves, place the roll flex centrally and tack it into the hip batten using corrosion resistant nails. Trim the roll flex at either end and overlap by 100mm onto the ridge. Peel off the protective strips and press down well, ensuring the tiles are dust free. A section of GRP hip tray is fitted, angled at the eaves to match the contour of the end ridge tile. Next, the end ridge tile is marked, drilled and screwed into place. Using a flexible universal gasket to join the tiles, screw and plate the fixings, working your way up the hip. Add a second GRP hip tray overlapping the previous one by approximately 150mm, and again cut at an angle to match the mitered end hip tile. Continue fitting the hip tiles up to the ridge with the gasket, screw and plate. Once you arrive at the top, mark and cut a mitered edge for both hip and ridge joins. Drill and screw the last tile into place, and to finish, repeat the whole process for the hip on the other side.